Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Jessica, and in this video, we are talking about the CAT MBA exam in just less than 5 minutes. So stick around to know all about the CAT exam. So what exactly is the CAT exam? CAT, or Common Aptitude Test, is accepted by over 1,000 B schools, including your 21 IIMs. The eligibility criteria for the same is that if you are a graduate, or if you are still pursuing your graduation in the final year, or you are already a working professional, you can all apply for the CAT exam because there is no age limit for CAT. Registration for the CAT exam starts in the month of August. The exam is conducted in the last Sunday of the month of November, and the results are out in the last week of December. If you want a list of top 100 B schools, you can access the link of our website in the description. There you can find the list. Alright, so now let's talk about the paper pattern. There are 3 sections in CAT exam. Number 1 is the VARC, or Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension, with almost 24 questions. The second section is Data Interpretation and Logical Reasoning with 22 questions. Then the last is the Quant section with 22 questions. So total questions is around 66 to 68 questions. The total time you get is around 120 minutes with specific 40 minutes for each section. If you're looking for a detailed list of syllabus of each section, you can again use the link in our description for the website where we have spelled out the specific topics you need to study for each section. Alright, now let's discuss the marking scheme. Now there are 2 types of questions in the CAT exam. Objective and subjective. Objective are the MCQs. For every correct MCQ, you get a +3. And for the incorrect one, you get a -1. Then there's TTAC questions, or type in the answer, which are your subjective answers. Okay, you do not get a negative marking in these questions. Now, preparation tips. If you're looking for really good preparation or for in-depth videos for study plans, why not subscribe to our channel? Because we do plan to make in-depth study plan for each section for all of you. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel below. Now, once you do tackle the exam, there are a couple other rounds waiting for you on the other end. Some institutions take WAT, which is Written Aptitude Test. Then there's GD, which is Group Discussion, and PI. What they actually are looking for is not just numbers. They also want to see if you actually fit in their institutions and programs. So to wrap up things, this was all about the CAT exam. If you're looking for some really good guidance and resources, Tarkashastra is starting a batch really soon. So anyone from anywhere can attend this batch. And if you want to attend an in-person batch, anybody from Pune can do the same. For more details, check the description below. If you found this video helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, comment if you want any other videos on any other subjects, and subscribe to our channel and share the video if you found it relevant. All the best for your CAT journey.